Hey, fabulous peeps. It's your girl, Green Waifu, back with some more money-saving magic. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem like a challenge, but is totally doable with the right mindset and savvy strategies. That's right. We're talking about how to live off of $1,000 a month anywhere in the US. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can it really be done? Well, buckle up, because I'm here to show you that where there's a will, there's a way. Let's get one thing straight. Living off $1,000 a month might sound tight, but it's all about priorities and smart choices. So if you're ready to embrace some budget-friendly hacks and make the most of every penny, let's dive in. First things first, let's create a budget. You might think budgets are boring, but trust me, they're your golden ticket to financial freedom. Start by tracking your monthly expenses, and I mean everything, from rent to that occasional coffee treat. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can make informed decisions on how to cut back and save. Speaking of rent, finding an affordable place to call home is key. Look for shared housing options, studio apartments, or even consider being a roommate. Living with others can split costs and create a supportive living environment. And hey, don't forget to negotiate your rent. You might just score a sweet deal. Now, let's talk about your food game. Eating out can be tempting, but cooking at home is the real money saver. Plan your meals, hit the grocery store armed with a list, and embrace your inner chef. Batch cooking and freezing meals can save you time and money. And remember, shopping sales and using coupons are like scoring a fashion find on a clearance rack, but for your pantry. Next up, let's tackle transportation. Public transport, biking, or carpooling can be your new best friends. Owning a car is expensive when you consider gas, insurance, and maintenance. So explore alternative modes of transportation that'll help you pocket those extra dollars. And now let's get thrifty with your entertainment and social life. Embrace free or low-cost activities like picnics, movie nights at home, or exploring local parks. You'll be surprised at how much fun you can have without breaking the bank. And when it comes to shopping, thrift stores and secondhand shops can be treasure troves for budget-friendly finds. All right, let's talk about a topic near and dear to my heart: personal finance apps. These little lifesavers can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and stay accountable. They're like having a personal finance guru right in your pocket, guiding you towards financial success. Now, let's not forget about your side hustle game. If your main gig isn't cutting it, consider a side hustle that aligns with your skills and passions. From freelance writing to graphic design or tutoring, there are endless opportunities to earn extra income. Plus, side hustles can be your secret weapon for boosting your savings. And hey, let's have a heart-to-heart about prioritizing. Yes, living on $1,000 a month means making choices. But think about what truly matters to you. Splurge on experiences that bring joy and skip the things that don't align with your goals. It's all about living intentionally and making choices that serve your financial well-being. Remember, building an emergency fund is a non-negotiable. Even if you're living on a tight budget, setting aside a small portion of your income for emergencies can provide you with peace of mind. It's like having a safety net to catch you if unexpected expenses pop up. Now let's address the elephant in the room: student loans or other debts. If you have them, don't panic. Create a repayment plan that works for your budget and stick to it. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first and consider refinancing options if they're available to you. Lastly, let's talk about embracing the power of community. Connect with like-minded individuals who are on a similar budget journey. Share tips, support each other, and celebrate your wins together. You're not alone in this, and together you can create a network of positivity and financial empowerment. Living off of $1,000 a month anywhere in the US might sound like a challenge, but with a little creativity, determination, and a sprinkle of Green Waifu magic, you've got this. Remember, it's not about what you have, but how you make the most of what you've got. If you found these budget-friendly tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom and a dash of inspiration. You're capable of achieving incredible things, my awesome peeps. Until next time, stay fabulous and financially savvy, and I'll see you in my next video.